Next up, firing power for White Lotus. In this we did kill the Juggernaut with the RGL-80, the Velikan with the RGL-80, and finally the Bullfrog with the RGL-80. If you kill the Velikan in Building 21, it'll drop the RGL-80, and you can redo Building 21 to get the kill with it. Pretty simple. So the absolute easiest way to get your hands on an RGL-80 grenade launcher is to simply kill the Velikan on Building 21 from Friday through Monday. Building 21's only open over the weekend. Then pick up the RGL-80 that they drop. Essentially, you'll need to wait for roughly 3 or 4 minutes into the game when all the doors unlock, and the top floor doors should be unlocked, which is A, B, C, D, 3, all the way at the very top of the building. Then all you need to do is simply hang around that area until there's probably about 5 minutes left of the game, and finally an elevator door will open up, opening a new extract on the top floor. Now, when this does happen, the Velikan will come out of the elevator that spawns there and quickly run away all over the map. He likes to disappear, so you'll need to find wherever he comes out of as quick as possible. You'll need a bit of luck on your side, and there's usually 2 or so entrances that he can come out of. As far as I understand, you'll either come out between C and D, I think it is, on that little passageway there, or on the opposite side at a door all the way at the back. It's a bit confusing, I'm not entirely sure where he spawns, but essentially he'll spawn when there's about 5 minutes left. All you need to do is run to him and kill him as soon as possible, and when you do, you'll pick up an RGL-80. Oh, there we go. Did you get it? Yes, man. Now this is the best part, as all you need to do is simply extract, come back, and do it again. On this second run, just make sure that you break the armor of the Velikan, and then only use the RGL-80 to try and get the last hit, securing you the kill.
Yeah, so you might spawn here, or you'll spawn, I don't know, on the other side, somewhere. Wherever that elevator pulls up is where he's at. He's here. I marked him. He's here, he's out. Still armor. Oh, wait, we got him. Yo, I'm burning, eh? I'll grab it. Oh, I got it. I'm sure it should count for all of us, eh? Sweet. There we go. So we've now killed the Velikan with our RGL, which we picked up from them in the previous game. Super simple. Now we can extract as well and be done with it. And stash one of them so we can head back to get the Juggernaut and the Bullfrog later. So now we're ready up to go to the Ashika Island. Okay, so for killing the Juggernaut with the RGL-80, we'll head into the Ashika Island and kill the Juggernaut under the castle. It should be any old Juggernaut on any old map. You'll find one usually around Al Mazrah, but at least on Ashika Island under the Tsuki Castle, there are 2 that always spawn there and roam around. Okay, so we'll head to the Tsuki Castle and we'll head just behind it so we can get down and to the boss. Just make sure you have the RGL in hand. He's dead. Oh no, that's the vehicle I destroyed. Whoops, reloading. There we go. Direct hit. Done. Alright, cool. It's ticked off. Let's go. Now that we've killed the boss, we'll go ahead and exfil from the island. And that's the second part of this complete. Finally, we'll go to Vondel and get a kill from the Bullfrog that drives around the map. This can be a bit annoying, especially if you need to go back for it, but it's great that we got 2 of them extracted with both of them. We picked one up, got the boss kill with it, and got a second one, so we now have 2 chances to do this. So essentially, I need to kill this Bullfrog with my grenade launcher, and I need to exfil with the crate. Okay, so essentially what we need to do is we need to get into a car with someone else driving it, and hopefully stay in front of the Bullfrog, that way we don't catch the mines. He's on the far east, he's coming to the cruise terminal now, so he's all the way down there. Go there. I'll grenade him. Reloading. Right, so there's 6 successful grenades off into this dude. It's the RGL, it's the grenade launcher. There we go. Right, I need to grab this weapons case. Oh, wait. Right, we can extract. Done. Let's go, dude.
And there we go. As you can see, we've now finished firing power for White Lotus. So, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. I wish you luck in this mission. It's pretty difficult. And I'll see you all next time. Ciao.